So these are the 11 players that that I would recommend in your portfolio. This is coming from Harry Malkovich, who won a Nobel Prize in 1990. His modern portfolio theory. This is the kind of gold standard of portfolios. But if that seems too much, start with 5. So 5, pick your 5 players in your portfolio. It really depends on your age. So if you're younger, you have more time to ride out those markets, the ups and downs of the market. You can take a much more aggressive portfolio because you have that time to. Whereas if you're in your 70s, for instance, you want to take a much more defensive strategy. You want to have, you want to have much more. You want to have much more a bond portfolio, like your left back, where you're lending to companies and corporations, or defensive shares. So it really depends on yourself, and that's why asset allocation is so important, because it really depends on your person. There's no right type for everyone, but it really does depend on your individual circumstances. This is what I call my football formation asset allocation, and it will be covered in more detail in my book.